Hello students, welcome back. So as we have completed our language revision, now it's a turn of our literature, and today is the first chapter we are going to do, Super 6 and the Lost Treasure. I'm going to just give you a summary of this chapter. When I'll summarize it, then I have some exercises which you have to do and show it to me. So I hope you remember about Super 6. Veer, Uzma, Lay, Suman, Rio, and Buddy are Super 6, remember? One day, they all went to the beach to spend a holiday or to spend a good time together. They planned a picnic on the beach. So, as they were setting everything over there, suddenly Uzma saw something. Do you remember what she saw? Yes, I hope you remember that she saw a half buried bottle out there. The Super Six gathered there because they became very excited to see the bottle, and they took out the bottle from the ground. They became more excited when they saw that the bottle is having a scroll in it. Immediately, they opened the scroll, and something was written in the scroll. I hope you remember what was written. Through a scroll, they came to know about the hidden treasure somewhere on the beach. The scroll not only told them about the hidden treasure but also gave them clue. Do you remember the clue? Yes, the clue was an X. Now Super 6 became more curious to get that X. They divided themselves into small groups and spread it all over the beach. Spread means mean onto a different locations of the beach. Lay was become very happy because she has found seashells laid on the beach in the shape of an X. As you can see in the picture, she is with Buddy and she is very excited because there was an X sign on the beach. She thought the treasure must be buried under it. But soon her excitement vanished when Buddy dug the seashell and found nothing. As you can see here. On the other side of the beach, Uzma and Suman got another sign of X. But they were also disappointed because it was not the real X which was having the treasure. Soon they all gathered at the water edge, having no clue of X. Suddenly, Veer saw something. He saw that there was two trees having the shape of an X, as you can also see in this picture. Without any delay, they all understood that the treasure is buried under these two trees. And finally, as you know, that they got the chest full of books, toys, and many more things. So now I hope that you all have remembered the story again. Still, if anyone having any confusion, any doubt, please see the previous video and then you can come to the exercise which I have over here. First one is true and false. The Super 6 are at the beach. It is cloudy day. Third, Suman is building a tree house. Fourth, there is a bottle half buried in the sand. Fifth, they find a scroll with a picture of a box. And the last one is the water is muddy and dirty. So now you have to think which one is true and which one is false. You have to write true in front of the true one and the false in front of the false one. Then this one is very interesting. Here some words are given. As you see these words, what two things come into your mind you have to write over here. For example, sky. So if you ask me, when I have seen this word sky, two things which came into my mind is blue and high. So like this you can also write about water, about beach, about bottle, about ocean and trees. So you must think about the adjective or the quality of these nouns, then it will be easy for you to write. And the last one is very easy. Here you can see some words are given and all are started begin with C, right? So you have to match these words to their correct meaning. For example, first one is season. So you know that spring, summer, monsoon and winter is the answer of the first one. Season is this. Like this way you can go to each and every word and then read out the meanings. The suitable meaning you have to mark. And if these words are new for you, you can definitely go and take the help of a dictionary or you can just google it, so it will be easy for you. Thank you.